Be honest. Have you ever listened to English and thought, I know these words, but why can't I understand? Don't worry, you are not bad at English. You are just missing the right listening strategy. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is listening and understanding English. And trust me, this one skill can double your speaking confidence. Why listening feels so difficult? Let's understand the problem first. Most students say they speak too fast. I understand words, not sentences. Accent is confusing. The truth is, native speakers don't speak word by word. They speak in chunks. Like what you expect to hear is, what are you doing? And what they actually say, what you doing? Shocking? Yes. Normal? Also yes. This is normal for native speakers. So you shouldn't expect to hear the same words and sentences. Biggest mistake students make. Trying to understand every word. This is the fastest way to panic. Native speakers don't listen to every word. They listen for meaning. Example, I was running late so I grabbed a quick coffee. You don't need to know grabbed. You just need to understand he was late and drank coffee quickly. Tip number 1. Start with daily life English. Stop starting with movies, news debates, difficult lectures. Start with daily conversations, short clips, simple vlogs. This will help you a lot. Daily life topics should be about shopping, food, morning routine, school, or work talk. These topics are very helpful because we often talk about our daily routine. Listening to daily life topics will help you to understand the basic sentences of daily life. Like, what do you want to eat? I'll call you later. These repeat everywhere. Tip number 2. Listen without subtitles. This tip is powerful. Step 1. Listen without subtitles, just catch topic, mood, main idea. And then in step 2, listen with subtitles. And in step 3, listen again without subtitles. This trains your brain to understand naturally. Tip number 3. Focus on keywords. Your brain doesn't need 100% accuracy. Example, I'll meet you at the bus stop around 7. You don't need to know every word in the sentence. Just know the keywords like meet, bus stop, 7. That's enough to understand. Tip number 4. Train your ear daily for 5 minutes. Yes, just 5 minutes. While cooking, while walking, before sleeping. And listen to short YouTube videos, English reels, simple podcasts. Consistency is greater than duration. If you do it consistently for just 5 minutes a day, your listening skill will improve a lot. Tip number 5. Repeat what you hear. This is the shadowing trick, and this is magic. Listen to a sentence and pause and repeat aloud. Shadowing method will not only improve your listening skill but speaking skill too. Example, that sounds like a good idea. Now you repeat. This improves listening, pronunciation, confidence, and speaking. Tip number 6. Accept different accents. English is not one sound. You will hear American, British, and so many other accents. You don't need to copy accents, you just need to understand them. Start with one accent, then slowly explore others. Tip number 7. Don't translate, visualize. Make a picture in your mind. Example, I spilled coffee on my shirt. Don't translate, just imagine coffee falling on a shirt. Understanding becomes instant. Listen carefully. You learned your mother tongue by listening, not by grammar, so stop pressuring yourself. If today you understand 30%, that's great. Tomorrow you will understand 40%, and one day you will understand 90%. That is progress, that is success. If this video helps you, like, comment, I will improve my listening. And say this to yourself 5 times right now. I will improve my listening. Subscribe for daily English tips. Remember, good listeners become confident speakers. See you in the next video. Bye for now.